Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to cut an interior shape out of a piece of sheet. So let's say you have a design like this, and what you're trying to do is cut out this circle on the inside. Obviously, you don't want to cut through the side or you'll have a big line that you'll have to fill with solder. So let me show you how to get into this circle and how to effectively saw out an interior shape. So what we're going to do is we are going to drill a small hole first, and then we are going to thread our saw through that hole, and that's how we are going to be able to access this interior shape. Before you do any drilling, you have to create a mark in the metal sheet as a guide for where the drill is actually going to drill through. So let me show you how to do that first. I'm using a very small peaked screwdriver for this, but you can use any type of pointed tool to create this guide for your drill. As you can see, I'm just going to set up my pointed tool and I'm going to hit it on the top with the hammer once and create a small little indentation. So without that guide mark, your drill bit will actually, when it touches the metal, it's going to go all over the place and it's not going to drill into the place where you really need it to be. So the next thing you're going to do is take a drill bit and you're going to insert your drill bit into your flux shaft. Once you have that drill bit inserted, you are going to line it up into your little groove that you created with your peaked tool and start drilling a small hole. And then you're going to open up your saw blade like this and actually thread the saw blade through the open hole, and then reconnect it down at the bottom. So you have your saw blade nice and tight, but now you have it going through that interior area of your metal. Next, you'll just set your sheet up on your bench pin and start sawing. Voila! That is how you are going to saw out an interior shape.